What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'll be installing this big thing that's in there in one of these cars. Let's get this open. So I got this front lip for my Q50. I had one before, but it was that 3-piece one. I didn't really like that one. So I'm gonna try this one out. That 3-piece one flew out. So this is like a 1-piece. So it looks better condition. I'm gonna install it like this and then later paint it. Probably gloss black or something. But yeah, putting it on the Q today. So I'm gonna run to the Home Depot real quick because the company that sent me that front lip didn't send any hardware. So I'm gonna go buy something to screw it onto the Q50 because I don't have extra stuff to bolt it on. So I'm gonna go to the nearby Home Depot and get some stuff real quick. That way I can bolt it on today because I don't want to have it laying around. So yeah. So I had the car in the air already. Came back from Home Depot. Picked up the double-sided tape. Double-sided tape and some screws to drill it onto to the bumper, because double-sided tape won't hold it itself. It'll fly off. So I'm gonna clean the bottom of it and then clean the lip to add the double-sided tape right now. So this lip mounts from here. So this follows the bumper. So the bumper has these lines, so you mount it from here. So I'll be putting double-sided tape all along through here, and then in between add some screws also, so it doesn't want to fly off or it's wobbly. So I'm gonna clean it right now and add the double-sided tape. It says this one holds up to 30 pounds. So yeah, so let's get that going. So I got that lip on pretty tight on there. I added a couple of screws. A lot, because I don't want to lose this again. I lost one. The other one I had gotten was a 3-piece. It was this piece and then a middle piece and then the 3rd piece, but the middle piece flew off on us, so this one don't feel like it's going anywhere, and that's what I want. I don't want this to fly out. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring it back down and see how it looks on the ground, like nice and lowered. So let me take it off the jack stands. So there you have it. I don't think, yeah, there you go. Nice and installed. Pretty easy install, just a couple screws, double-sided tape. Just make sure you clean it before you tape it on so it can stick. The double-sided tape can stick really good. I usually use acetone because it cleans it real good, and every time I stick something on there, it sticks like right away. So yeah, that was a short video for you guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe. I'll be pulling more videos. I gotta do some more stuff to this car. Highly motivated now just because it's low, so plan on like probably seeing what's out there for side skirts. Definitely want to get a roof wing for this and a trunk wing and a diffuser, and probably swap out those exhaust tips so we don't have these stock tips, because it is on stock tips with the muffler delete. So yeah, definitely want to do some more stuff to this car since it's the daily. Wanted to make it look nice and cool. But yeah, like I said, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next videos.